Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Explainer. Today we are tackling a technological merger that is moving so incredibly fast it's honestly making heads spin. You know, when most of us hear AI, we immediately think of chatbots writing emails or, I don't know, generating quirky images. And when we hear crypto, our minds go straight to Bitcoin and blockchain. But right now, completely out of the public eye, artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming how we trade, how we invest, and even how we create cryptocurrencies. We're talking about a complete redefinition of the entire market by 2026. This isn't just some minor software upgrade, folks. It is a full-blown evolution of how digital finance operates.
So consider this for a second. What if artificial intelligence becomes the absolute biggest force driving cryptocurrency prices in the near future? Believe it or not, it's not hypothetical, it's happening as we speak. Grasping this shift before the masses catch on could create some truly massive opportunities for early adopters. If you're interested in where money, tech, and future trends all crash together, you're going to want to pay close attention. The lines between AI and decentralized finance are blurring, and the results, they're pretty staggering. All right, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The AI trading advantage. 2. Smarter security and development. 3. The rise of AI crypto agents. 4. Institutions and market sentiment. And 5. Risks and the human element.
Starting things off with Section 1, the AI trading advantage. We are entering an era of smarter, faster, and better market execution. Okay, there is a massive speed gap in the market right now. Think about a human trader. We manually watch charts, try to process breaking news, fight our natural emotions, and finally click a button. That whole process takes minutes. But an AI system? It reacts in milliseconds. That is literally faster than the blink of an eye. These advanced bots are analyzing millions of data points across social media, news, and blockchain transactions, all at exactly the same time. They're spotting hidden patterns that human eyes just plain miss. To put it in perspective, while you're pouring your first cup of coffee and reading a single headline, an AI trading system is already modeled 10,000 potential market outcomes and executed a trade. In the wild, highly volatile crypto space, that sheer velocity creates an almost unbelievable advantage.
But hey, this isn't just about rapid-fire day trading. AI is totally changing long-term portfolio management, basically by taking the guesswork right out of it. Instead of just kind of tossing a dart at a board to pick a coin, AI-powered systems automatically analyze super complex market conditions to recommend an optimal balance. For example, it might allocate 40% to Bitcoin for stability, 35% to Ethereum for its smart contract utility, and 25% to Solana for speed. And this is based entirely on precise, hard data. Best part? It doesn't just set it and forget it. These systems dynamically rebalance as the market breathes, automatically adjusting your exposure to risk without you ever having to lift a finger.
Which brings us right to Section 2, smarter security and development. Because AI isn't just about making money, it's about protecting it and building the future of the ecosystem. Machine learning is now acting as this incredibly powerful shield. It scans thousands of projects to detect fraudulent transactions and suspicious activity way before investors lose a dime. It's kind of like having a team of thousands of forensic accountants auditing the blockchain in real time. Pretty cool, right? But on the development side, it gets even more fascinating. Developers are using AI to analyze complex code, write flawless smart contracts, and dramatically speed up blockchain deployment. Projects that used to take a dedicated team of coders months to build from scratch are now being spun up and deployed securely in just a fraction of the time. The barrier to entry for building robust crypto infrastructure has quite literally never been lower.
And this rapid development paves the way for Section 3, which is probably my favorite, the rise of AI crypto agents. We're moving from tools to autonomous actors.
I really want you to imagine software that acts essentially like an independent digital citizen. An AI agent is an autonomous system that doesn't just give you advice. It actually goes out into the digital world, finds investment opportunities, and executes trades totally without human intervention. It manages digital assets all by itself. It never sleeps, it doesn't take coffee breaks, and it is constantly hunting for value 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It negotiates, it transacts, and it manages your profits entirely on its own.
Now, this crazy autonomous capability has sparked an entirely new asset class. We are witnessing the birth of AI cryptocurrencies. These are projects specifically designed to combine the decentralized, trustless ledger of a blockchain with the raw brainpower of artificial intelligence. As global AI adoption surges across all industries, these specific AI-focused crypto projects are positioned for monumental growth. We're seeing networks where the compute power itself is tokenized, meaning anyone can rent out their hardware to train AI models and get paid directly in crypto. It's a completely new paradigm.
Let's move on to Section 4, Institutions and Market Sentiment. Big money is entering the space, and they're using AI to measure fear and greed.
We all know that fear and greed are basically the twin engines driving crypto prices, right? Well, in the past, measuring that sentiment was essentially an educated guessing game. But today, AI continuously scans the entire internet. It's analyzing millions of news headlines, social media feeds, forum posts, you name it, to quantify human emotion instantly. When an AI detects a market heavily weighted toward greed, say it hits 65%, big institutions use that advanced metric to their absolute advantage. It gives them a highly sophisticated tool for analyzing market psychology and risk that everyday retail traders just didn't have access to before. They aren't just reacting to the market anymore, they're reacting to how the market feels.
So here is the crucial takeaway I want you to remember. Blockchain networks are rapidly becoming the primary infrastructure for AI-powered economies. Really let that sink in for a second. Looking ahead to 2026, we are heading toward a world where machines will natively exchange value, purchase services from one another, and perform incredibly complex tasks using cryptocurrency as the underlying financial rail. Why? Because AI doesn't have a traditional bank account. It needs a native digital currency to operate. Blockchain is just the perfect frictionless layer for this new machine-to-machine economy.
But okay, before we get completely lost in the sci-fi potential of all this, we need to cover Section 5, risks and the human element, because balance is absolutely essential.
We definitely need to bring ourselves back to reality for a moment. Crypto remains a highly volatile space, and AI predictions, no matter how advanced the neural network is, are not always correct. They can hallucinate, and they can absolutely misinterpret black swan events. Yes, AI gives us rapid data analysis, incredible pattern recognition, and perfectly emotionless execution. But you should never, ever rely solely on an algorithm. Human judgment brings strategic planning, overarching risk management, and critical thinking to the table. We understand context in a way machines still just don't. The absolute best strategy is combining AI's raw analytical horsepower with your own deeply researched human judgment.
To borrow a perfect quote right from our source material, the future isn't AI or crypto. It's AI and crypto working together to create entirely new possibilities. And that is exactly what early adopters need to understand. New business models, novel investment vehicles, and wild new technologies are emerging literally every single month. The individuals and institutions who grasp the synergy of both these spaces working in tandem, the decentralization of crypto with the intelligence of AI, are going to be the ones who have a massive advantage in the coming years.
Which brings us right back to you. By 2026, the market won't just be humans trading against humans. It will be humans trading alongside hyper-intelligent autonomous agents. The question isn't whether AI will change the crypto landscape, because it already has. The real question is, will you be utilizing these AI tools to build your wealth, or will you be competing against them? Think about it. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.